Hey guys, in this video we go over how to pay back your Robinhood margin step by step. Now what you basically need to do, guys, is you need to go ahead and first deposit funds to your Robinhood account to pay back your margins. So all you need to do is once you're here on your Robinhood account, come here and click on buying power, okay? And then you'll be on this section, you can click on a deposit funds. Just you can click on from because this is from where you would go ahead and transfer money from. So if you're transferring from your individual account or Apple Pay, or you can add your own accounts or wire transfer as well, go ahead and do that. Select the amount. Once you're done with that, guys, you can choose where you want to go ahead and deposit this to. So wherever you took your margin from, deposit it right there. So I'll do individual as an example. Frequency, you can go ahead and select whatever frequency you want. We'll just do just once because we're just doing this to pay off the margin, right? Select that, go ahead and click on continue, and then just come here, click on a transfer, okay? And as you can see, the deposit will have been initiated. It's really that easy and simple, and if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to find your solution.